Get your checkbook out. I think you're going to want to buy Amazon. I know I am. Like I said last week, everything Amazon touches turns to gold. I'm going to show you why you want to buy it. But first, remember you can save some time watching this video by clicking the gear icon in the lower right corner and selecting a new speed. Also, stick around to the end to hear the next trading maxim. Before we look at Amazon, you got to see this. I love it when a plan comes together. A couple of weeks ago, I was telling you to watch for a breakdown of this descending wedge, bearish wedge right here on the Crude daily chart. Okay, I'll link the video below. It's finally broken with mediocre volume. I don't know what happened to the volume bar here, but this volume bar came up to maybe right there. So didn't quite make the volume average, but I'm selling Crude with a half size position on this close below the wedge. So if volume comes up on this move, I'll add to my position. Okay, let's talk Amazon. Just a bit of a backstory though. I'm going to assume that you are mostly familiar with Amazon. But in case you've been living under a rock, Amazon is the largest e-commerce marketplace and cloud computer platform in the world. Started in 1995 as an online bookstore, but then they just expanded into everything. Amazon surpassed Walmart as the most valuable retailer by market cap in 2015. Amazon recently acquired Whole Foods Market and, as I mentioned last week, just inked a deal with Kohl's to provide additional local locations to deal with Amazon. It's traded on NASDAQ as AMZN and is a component of the NASDAQ 100 and the S&P 100 indices. With all that said, let's talk about the first reason you want to buy Amazon. So a few days ago, Fox News reports that Amazon to make one-day shipping the standard on Amazon Prime. So they announced they're shooting for reducing their two-day deliveries, which are guaranteed on Amazon Prime customers, down to one-day deliveries. That should help them compete really well against local sticks and brick stores like Walmart, for instance. In fact, in an interview with Bloomberg, the CEO of JumpShot, a marketing intelligence firm, called it a shot across the bow of retailers. Amazon's CFO made the announcement in Thursday's earnings call last week and combined that with reason number 2 you should buy Amazon. The announcement last Thursday that their earnings per share for the first quarter were over $7, well past the forecasted $4.70. And to me, the most important reason, the chart. You guys know I'm all about the chart. You can see the earnings and other news push price up last week with huge volume. Up until that time, there was the interest in the form of volume and volatility had been waning. We got a little pop in volatility right here at the end, but we've got pretty strong resistance up here at 2050. 2050 is the all-time high. With all that said, I'm bullish on Amazon. I think it could take a few weeks, but I think we're going to see an attack of this prior all-time high at 2048. Maybe a small push through, but then there's going to be, some sideways action before we see any serious push through. So watch for a pullback when it hits this level right here and a bit of sideways movement before the breakthrough. But I don't doubt that we're going to see more upside on Amazon as if they continue as they have. I'm buying some of this right now, just small size because there could be some sideways movement right here before a further push up. I will definitely get more size if we come back here to the trend line. Then I'm going to take half off when it hits the 2050 level right here, and I'm going to hold on to the rest because I expect a breakthrough of the 2050. My initial stop loss is going to be down here below the 1885 level. Don't forget to use stop losses and always maintain your risk parameters. And now it's my favorite time, Maxim time. Today we're going to look at Maxim number 31. There's no whining on the trading floor. Taking losses is part of the job, and forgive me for being blunt. Don't whine about it. Move on. Your mental health will thank you. Remember, buy a little Amazon now, but buy more on a pullback to the trend line and take some profit around 2050. Your stop can be a close below 1885-ish. Also, if you've got a day job and you don't have time to analyze charts, this should be helpful to you. Trading Strategy Guides has the Strike Trader Elite trade signals. You'll get 4x trade signals on a dozen or so pairs on several different time frames, all based on the Strike Trader Elite system. Look below for the video link to the free signals. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up below. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time.